Welcome to this finance video. Today we'll cover 5 essential tips to improve your financial health. Tip No. 1. Create a budget that works for you. Track your income and expenses and allocate 50% towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards debt and savings. Tip No. 2. Start investing today. Consider a high-yield savings account or a low-cost index fund. Every little bit counts. Tip No. 3. Prioritize high-interest debt and consolidate loans if needed. Pay more than the minimum payment to pay off debt faster. Tip No. 4. Build a strong credit score by paying bills on time, keeping credit utilization below 30%, and monitoring your credit report regularly. Tip No. 5. Educate yourself on personal finance and avoid lifestyle inflation. Stay disciplined and patient, and you'll achieve financial freedom. Tip No. 6. Build an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund will help you avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Tip No. 7. Start saving for retirement today. Take advantage of employer matching contributions and compound interest. Tip No. 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation by not overspending as your income increases. Direct excess funds towards your financial goals. Tip No. 9. Diversify your income streams to reduce financial risk. Consider starting a side hustle or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Tip No. 10. Stay disciplined and patient on your financial journey. Avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes and stay focused on your long-term goals. Tip No. 11. Be mindful of fees associated with bank accounts, credit cards, and investments. Avoid unnecessary fees to save hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. Tip No. 12. Negotiate bills and expenses with service providers like cable or insurance companies. You can often get a better deal by simply asking. Tip No. 13. Use cashback apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, or Fetch Rewards for daily purchases. Earn money back on things you already buy. Tip No. 14. Consider buying used or refurbished items instead of new ones. This can save you money on things like electronics, furniture, or even cars. Tip No. 15. Prioritize needs over wants. Be honest with yourself about what you need versus what you want. Make sacrifices if necessary to achieve your financial goals. Thanks for listening to these additional finance tips. Remember, small changes today can lead to a stronger financial tomorrow. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and you'll achieve financial freedom.